Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for those of you that are new, welcome. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create an everyday makeup look while using affordable products. I've already prepped my eyelids using Opal Black in the shade Medium and JUVIA'S Concealer J14. The brushes that I'm using in the video are by MorpheCosmetics. It's in the number 686 and they're also vegan. So I'm going in with a loose highlighter. It's by JUVIA. It's in the color Royalty. So I use this small brush to help place this loose highlighter powder directly on my eyebrow bone. The two palettes I'll be using is Warrior 2 and Warrior 1, which are both by Juvia's Place. The first color is going to be Kafura, which is a medium brown. Again, the brush that I'm using is also by Morphe in the number 686, FYI. It is vegan. The name of the second color is called Marimi, which is a lighter gold. So I decided to go with a flat brush just because it's just easier to place the eyeshadow on my eyelid, just to have more control over placing it in one area of my eye. And after this, I'm just going to go on with the same brush and clean that up. And just to add some definition, I use NYX Glitter Primer. I just use very little on top of my eyelid. JLSRUECOSMETICS is what I'm using for my eyeshadow. It's a black-owned cosmetics line. I use the shade White Gold, and it's a loose powder. The brush that I'm using doesn't have a name or a number on it, but I just want to show you guys exactly what it looks like. FYI, you guys, again, this is a shimmer. It's not a typical eyeshadow, so it will be messy. So as you guys can see, it definitely added more definition. So for my mascara, I use L'Oreal Voluminous. So the lashes that I'll be using are from Amazon. It will be listed in the description box below. So I'm using my makeup remover face wipes, which is by NEUTROGENA. As you guys can see, it left a residue underneath my eyelid, so I'm just cleaning everything up before I prep my face for my foundation and concealer and setting powder. So for my face primer, I use Pro Touch Mattifier. It helps with people with oily skin like myself. The foundation stick that I'm using is by Juvia's Place in the shade NAMIBIA. It's a creamy base foundation and a little does go a long way. With this foundation, you can either use a brush or a beauty blender. For me personally, I prefer my beauty blender over the brush. Even though it does seem to take longer with the beauty blender, it blends better, where the brush itself is quicker, but it possibly might leave fine lines behind. Now that I'm finished with my foundation, I'm going to go in with my concealer, which is also by JUVIA'S Cosmetics. It's in the number 14. So right now I'm just highlighting and contouring. Again, you guys, I do have a video on how I highlight and contour my face if you guys would like to know how I do it. So I'm just letting my concealer sit for a little bit, and I'm actually going to go on with my setting powder right after. It's in the shade Almond, which is by Beauty Bakery. This is the brush that I'm going to use for my bronzer. The bronzer is by Morphe Cosmetics in the shade Prodigy. It's very affordable and long lasting. The brush I use doesn't have a name on it, unfortunately, but I'm using it to highlight my nose. The red beauty blender is by Morphe Cosmetics. I decided at the last minute to add more highlight. It's the same setting powder as before. While I bake, I'm going to finish completing my eyes. Instead of using black eyeliner, I'm going to use black eyeshadow, which is actually by the Warrior 2 palette. So I use the same color from the Warrior 2 for my inner eyes. The brush that I'm about to show you is actually from Morphe Cosmetics in the number 686. And I'm just brushing everything out. When it comes to blending everything, I tend to use different brushes just because I don't want my highlight to blend over my contour because I still want my definition. Lips, I use Melina Lip Gloss Covet in the number 19. It's a creamy matte texture, and I use Chestnut Lip Liner from MAC. For my highlighter, I use JUVIA'S in the color Royalty. Is what I'm placing on my cheekbones. And yes, I did use a different brush just because it wasn't picking up enough product. I also use my infamous setting mist, which is by Morphe. This is literally the only setting spray that I use. I just wanted to give you guys a basic, simple makeup tutorial. I actually just realized that I don't have an everyday look, but to me this would be considered a everyday look. So I just want to show you guys what I use, what I did, and how I actually created the look. Okay guys, so don't forget to like okay guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. I hope to see you guys soon. I love you guys, and please be safe. Bye guys.